The more south you go, the more difficult it is for English. So we came to take bike for rent. Same story here. We don't have IDP. $1 we got an exchange rate of 25,200. Don't go to Han Market, guys. It's just overpriced. People are looting there. We're heading out. Plan is to go for the bike rent. After that we'll go for lunch, and after that we'll go to market and we'll see what other stuffs need to be taken. We'll meet you there.
Okay. Bana Hills ticket, we can buy it after reaching there. Bana Hills ticket, where?
This is how we are talking here. The more south you go, the more difficult it is for English. So you need to maintain offline Google Translator or Apple Translator. Yeah, we found one Indian cuisine restaurant because we couldn't eat the Vietnamese cuisine. Let's see how it is. We came to take bike for rent. Same story here. We don't have IDP. Oh, this one.
Here, okay.
Okay.
Here.
Anything you want for as a proof?
You need basic passport or
2 million deposit. Deposit?
can I do $100?
Yeah.
Okay.
She, they'll be more fine.
No, matlab I don't have $100, okay. I don't have currency. $100. Yeah. That one you will do first. We keep here and you return. We return for you.
Okay.
What one?
They'll return it back. Let us deposit $100 and they'll give it back. Either you need to give passport or else $100. Yeah. We took the bike. It's a semi-automatic one. You will not have a clutch, but you will have the gears. There is no clutch. It's a semi-automatic which is available in most part of Vietnam. We'll see you guys. We'll show you around. Came to the gold shop to do the currency exchange, which we heard the exchange rate will be a bit more. For $1 we got an exchange rate of 25,200. This is the gold shop which we took the currency. You just find it in any gold shop. It's not only one shop. Yeah, guys, we have reached the Han Market. This is how the road looks, and this is where the market. It's like a kind of plaza. Every shop you will find it inside. I may not be able to show whole market. Yeah, wherever we are just stopping, whichever I feel like it is worth showing, I'll be showing you guys. See you shortly. Look at the people. There are so many collection of the fake Crocs.
왔던 곳으로.
Someone difficult to bargain. Hi.
Hi, Harry. Hi, hello.
Hi. Hello. Hey guys, we are done in the Han Market. Coming to the review of that, it's not like you will miss something if you don't buy anything, but few things are worth it. Like we have bought Crocs for around 600. That thing is worth it, but yeah, if you ask me, will I miss anything if I don't buy anything? No, definitely not. If you want to buy Vietnam stuff, maybe you can check it out. We'll be heading to some other market. We'll take you guys with me. We'll see you there. We thought of going corn market, but it was closed unfortunately. If you are planning to go for a corn market, you need to plan before 5 p.m. So on the way, we found out this market. I will just look at the place. We don't know while on the way. We just found it out. We will just keep the location in the description below. Just go through that if you ever visit Vietnam. This is also good. I think this is that shop. Hung Nam. Maybe if you can search this shop, you will get the market. We went to Han Market the same way. Here also stuffs are also there. Very cute. Just go to the location. We'll show you more. 90.
Everything 90.
Everything here is 90,000. Don't go to Han Market, guys. It's just overpriced. It's just overpriced. People are looting there. You get half the price in this particular market. I'll definitely gonna attach this link in the description. In just 90,000, we got the same Crocs which we bought in the Han Market.
Double the price.
We just spent double the price there.
I don't want to ask for the caps now. I don't have guts.
She have bought a cap and she don't have a guts to ask about the caps even. I'll show you guys. I'll show you more. Just wait. iPhone 15 Pro Max.
15 Pro Max. 15 Pro Max, only one. 15 Pro Max.
All how much is that?
Depending on price. Depending.
Depending on the model.
Okay, depending.
That was the Dragon Bridge. Just under that bridge we found there is some market. So we are going inside. We will see how it is. I'll show you guys. The world is so small. Yeah, the world is so small. Morning we have met one guy and the same guy was there here today in the same place. Yeah, so here is the entrance for the market. There are few food stalls. There is some music concert going on. Maybe they are keeping a setup. Now the time is 8:30. We are heading back to the Dragon Bridge. We will just find some good spot to see. We don't know whether we'll get a good spot in the last 10 minutes or something. After that again we'll come back here. This is our food. Maybe this one is the only one which we can eat apart from foods. Just now we came out of the market. We are going that side. We'll see where the view is good. We'll stand there. We'll see how it is. Yeah, we found a spot. It's better, but I don't know. So many people are there. On the bridge, that one is the bridge and total footpath people are there. There will be fire coming from the mouth, that's what I've heard. The total body will have lightning. We'll see how much exciting the show is. Even that side of the road also people are sitting. That is the market we just now we came from. We crossed the road and waiting for the show. Show starts at 9 p.m. and now the time is 8:57. Let's see. I think that is only the fire show of the Great Dragon Bridge. I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll see. We're heading back. We just found some shop near our hotel. We'll find few stuff to eat for dinner and then we'll head back to the hotel. We'll meet you guys there. Came back to the hotel. Now the time is around 2 a.m. Around 1 o'clock we came back to the hotel. We have explored few places like the river side, the beach side. The beach side night drive is more better. The river side they are closing around 10 p.m. All the shops are being closed because I don't know. If you want food, it will be very difficult after 11 p.m. because after Indian food. If you want Vietnamese, if you can eat Vietnamese, then of course you will get 24/7. But if you want Indian food, you will not get after 11 p.m. All the Indian restaurants will be closed by 12 o'clock and the orders will be closed by 11:30 like that. So make sure you are getting the food because today my dinner is cup noodles. More than that, I'm unable to find anything. Even finding that cup noodles also became very difficult because you will not find anything written in English. Very rare. The cup noodles I bought is from Korea, so that's why they have written in English and in Korea. So what else? Tomorrow we'll be heading to. Hmm? Yeah, most of the ingredients, most of the products have the ingredients of beef and pork. There's lobsters, there's crabs, even the chips also have lobster flavor in here. I couldn't even find Lay's properly. So that's about today. If you want to see the core Vietnam and or core Da Nang, you need to take a bike and you need to explore yourself. Don't go to touristy places. Yeah, that's the advice for today. Tomorrow we will be heading to Bana Hills. I will be sharing all the details tomorrow. We already have a cab booked. I'll share it tomorrow. I'll share all the details tomorrow in details. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.